Manitoba's first December draw is out. Big focus on in-province candidates. Manitoba has kicked off December with a major provincial nominee program draw. And if you're living or working in the province right now, this update could directly affect your pathway to permanent residence. Let's break down who was invited, why Manitoba is prioritizing certain groups, and what this means for your next steps. What happened in the 5th December MPNP draw? On 5th December 2025, Manitoba issued 184 letters of advice to apply, the highest number of invitations since early October. Invitations came through the Skilled Worker in Manitoba and Skilled Worker Overseas Pathways, but only for candidates who were directly invited through a strategic recruitment initiative. This continues a clear pattern. Since June, Manitoba has almost exclusively targeted candidates tied to recruitment missions. Breakdown of who received invitations. Here's how the 184 invitations were distributed. Employer Services, 10. Francophone Community, 20. Regional Communities, 21. Ethno-Cultural Communities, 7. Temporary Public Policy, TPP, OWP Pathway, 126. The largest portion, 126 invitations, went to candidates applying under the temporary public policy that allows certain provincial nominees in Manitoba or Yukon to access a special 2-year open work permit. Of all invited candidates, 61 had valid express entry profile numbers and job seeker codes. Important deadlines, very time sensitive. If you're a Manitoba candidate planning to use the temporary public policy route, Manitoba support letter applications close 16 December 2025 at 12:59 am EDT. Work permit applications must be submitted by 31st December 2025. This is when the federal public policy expires, and it is unclear whether it will be renewed. If you miss these dates, you may lose access to this special OWP option entirely. Why did some eligible candidates not get invited? Even if your EOI met the criteria, you may have been excluded if your language test number was not entered correctly or the test has expired. You claimed a strategic recruitment invitation but did not provide a valid invitation number. These are common mistakes, and they will automatically block selection. What are strategic recruitment initiatives? These are programs Manitoba uses to help employers fill labor shortages. Candidates are evaluated on language, work experience, education, age, stream requirements. Employers must complete Manitoba's ABC recruitment process, get approval, and then send eligible candidates to Manitoba's Employer Services Division. However, if Manitoba believes you have stronger ties to another province, you may still be refused, because the province wants candidates who will actually settle there permanently. What this means for you? If you're already working, studying, or residing in Manitoba, these draws show that the province is prioritizing in-province candidates. Candidates tied to employers. Candidates under the temporary public policy. If you qualify for a support letter or fall under recruitment initiatives, now is a crucial moment to act before deadlines pass. Conclusion. Stay tuned for more real-time updates on Manitoba PNP draws, provincial nomination trends, and pathways to PR across Canada. If you want to make sure you never miss a change that could affect your immigration status, subscribe and follow along. This is the end of today's video update. We hope you found it helpful. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest Canada immigration news.